the excess out of here.
Do you know, I think people will think I'm maybe Alec.
Why do you think they think you're Alec?
I don't know, because, you know, the duo, the act.
Don't worry about people thinking you're Alec. I know it's a horrible thing to happen to you.
Don't want that mistake, really.
Really don't want that to happen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening we are making a daring experiment.
Hello and welcome to this week's how-to video. This is Dan.
Hello.
Dan was with us on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride.
Yes. That
will come out in the next few weeks. But this week's how-to video is going to be showing you how to put heat wrap onto exhausts. And this is the way that we do it. It's not necessarily the only way to do it, but this is the way that we do it here at OEM. And we're doing it on Danny's Thruxton. Now the first thing you have to do, Danny's using black heat wrap, is you have to soak it in water. So we've been soaking this for about half an hour or so.
Juicy, ripe.
Yeah, you don't really need it longer than that. So we'll just kind of make sure all the excess is off of that first. And then we'll get underway. Alright, so first things first is you have to get the exhaust off your bike. So I'll give you a couple of spanners and you can do that. So next stage is Danny's bought 10 meters of heat wrap in the black, which we're then going to cut in half because we have 2 exhausts to wrap. Right, now that you have your length cut to the right size, you want to fold over the end by about an inch inside like that. Right, first things first, you want to get a nice tight first run round. So once you have it on there, pull it nice and tight. It's always easier to do this with 2 people than it is on your own. And then just keep going. Pipe wrap usually comes with some long metal clips which are fine to use, and you know, by all means use them. We personally use lock wire just because it's a lot less obvious and it just looks neater and it's, you know, just as strong. So this is what we use. For the end, cut yourself at least another 2 inches, because then you're going to fold that back under and then you're going to tie that off. There we go, there's one done. Easy as that. Right, now, Danny's going to do the next one. Okay, so now all we've got to do is put them on the bike.
Just going to start the bike up with no silencers at all. Ready?